is Rashid, and I am in the May 2020 Dojo Online Python Full Stack cohort, and I'm representing my group with my solo project. And this is my solo project. First, I want to talk about what my MVP was, minimum viable product. And I'm really sorry if you cannot get or if you cannot understand my accent, which is like typical Somali accent, very thick. But I'm sure if you play the video a couple of times, you will understand it or you will get it for somehow. Anyway, my MVP was like to have this is Bright Ideas project. So it's like people or registered members will come and post an idea or suggest an app that they want to build, and then other members will like, and the most like idea will be coded by the group or by the members of the page. And I think it will be helpful for somehow, especially when you are new to coding. It's very tough to come up with your own. I mean, you can clone somebody else's project, you can copy Facebook, you can clone Twitter, you can clone Instagram, but it's always tough to come up even little navbar that's your own idea. So I hope maybe someday this website will help juniors like me, like us, or like others. Anyway, let me come back for the MVPs of the website. It was like the website should have a place where you can register and log in. And let me look out there. So I have a place to register. And if you see here, it's like a login. When you are not logged in, you will have login, and then you can see this. If you don't have an account, they will say register here. So I try to not have a navbar for like register, login, different places. So I nested each under other. So I hope it makes sense. Then you can register here. And if we can register, like we say, a new user, and then we say user at yahoo.com, and password, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is such example, and I make this portfolio site. So if you are like a programmer, I at least I expect you have your own portfolio site, which if you don't have, then automatically this will be your email. So I can say like maybe my portfolio site is Google, and I can choose a picture if I want, and if I want, I can choose a picture. If I don't want, then automatically it will go like a little icon or little like avatar, which like kind of default picture for every user who has no picture. So we will go for the default for this guy. Let's register, and you say that's thank you for registering and welcome to the Innovators group, which already registered. And then you can sign in here if you want, or you can go even here if you want. They're just the same. So I think what we did was a new user, which was this guy, and the password was like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, great, we are already there. So this guy is new, and when you are registered, my MVP was like, as a member, you can post an idea, or you can like an idea, you can comment an idea, you can do a lot of things. You can even see other members' personal details or profile. Like this guy, this post is posted by me with another username. So this is posted by Rashid on Ox 14, 2020. And I can just click Rashid if I want to know, or I'm curious who's this guy, and I can see his information, and I can see his portfolio site, and even I can click and visit it. So let me go back. You can go back, Bright Ideas. This is the main page, and then you can even like. So now if you see here, now it's 5 likes, and I am logging as a new user, which is a new guy. So maybe I like this idea, so I just click like, and that's it. Boom, it says 6 people, 6 users like this idea. And if I even check, if I check the likers, who they are, who like this post, they can just click the 6 and you will see the list. And this is the last guy. And I was telling you, if I don't have an image, profile image, I should have this little alien, whatever you call it. And then this is my other username, which I have my picture. And you can even click these people and see their information. So you see now, this is the guy we just created. This is the username, new user. This was the email. Remember, I told you if we don't have like a portfolio site, it will automatically take his email, which is like user@yahoo.com, and number of posts. He didn't post any idea yet. Total number of likes, he liked it 1 post, which we did it right now. And then you can see this post has the most likes, or this idea has the most likes. So this has 4, this has 6, I mean, sorry, this has 4, so 6 is coming in front of the 4. And then I have little pagination when you can go other page. So you can click the page you want to like this, and you will go page 2, or you can click last one, or you can click next, which will take you like next page, or you can click the last one, which will take you the last page. And also always it will highlight a dark background, which page you are. Then I can go to the main page. If I want, I can say all the way the main page. And then if you open comments, this idea has 3 comments, and you can see it. So this was not my MVB, the comment I added. And then you will see the comments like this guy. You cannot see any name, so it's a good idea. Let's build it. Who is it? I don't know. You can just click his picture, and you say, oh, okay, this is Khadija. That's my wife's name. Then as a new user, if you see now, I can't delete any of these comments because they are not mine. And I can't delete any of these ideas because they are not mine. So first of all, let's post as it was one of the MVBs to post an idea. So this is it, like post an idea, share your ideas. So I can do like this. And before I post there, I want to emphasize this little, maybe you can ask, oh, how he did this little text editor, which you call rich text editor. It's really rich because you can do a lot of things that you cannot do with the normal text area. So now if we want to post something like, let's say, like a calculator, maybe we're going to build a calculator, and then you just go internet. You can even post an image or picture with this new text editor, with this little, what did I do? Oh yeah, I don't need that. Okay, let me see, maybe this guy. We want this. You just say copy image address and come back, and in your text editor you have this option there, like to add URL as an image. You can even see you can change like the width to 300, and you can say like okay, and then you can write some here like you can say some here like, what did I do now? Oh, sorry. Let me go back, and I say it like this, and then you can say, like we can say, can we build a calculator? Can we build a calculator? I don't know if that sentence is, if that spelling is correct. Yeah, this is not the main idea. So let's do it. Let's post. So you can see I cannot see my post right front because my idea, I just posted and I don't have likes. And remember, I am filtering my data to show the ideas that has the most liked ideas on the front page, or that's the way I use it order by. So I can go to the last page and check it out, and look at that, it's there. Can we build a calculator? And yeah, as a user I can like, see now I can delete it because it's mine. It's for the new user post or own idea. So I can delete it, I can edit it, and then I can go back to the main page just like this. And now, if as I told you, I cannot delete one of these comments because it's not mine. But if I want to comment on, where did I write? I hide that comment on input, where you can write, just for this, for the beauty of the user interface. So if I click it there, it will come up. You look at that. So I can write my comment. I can say like, I'm new here, but I am down for this idea. I don't know if that's even correct sentence, but yeah, I'm just trying. So you can see I don't have any button to like click and say add comment. I'm just using the enter for the keyboard. So I'm trying to enter like a normal. So you see here was a 3 and now it's 4. And now if I open it, the last one is mine. I'm new here, but I am down for this idea. And now I have the option to delete. I don't want to delete, or maybe I will delete. So you can see even it will subtract from there. So it will be 3 instead of 4, and it will go away. So now it's 3 and my comment is there. I can comment again if I want. And I can say like, hello again, boom, it's 4 now, and hello again should be all the way down because it's the last comment, and that's it. If I want to close that comments, I can click them. And I think I talk about most of the MB fees, MB fees, what is that? Minimum viable product. All right, and here I have 8 members, so this is really dynamic. It's come from my database. So whenever user come and register or join the ninjas, it will take you like say, okay, register, you register, it will be 9, 10. I mean, it will increase. And then this is all the shared ideas so far. I have 9 ideas. And if you post another one, automatically it will be 10. All right, that's it. And then if you go to your user, now you see it's welcome new user, which is the current user. If you click, there is a little drop down. It's the profile. You can see his profile or her profile. You can go back and then you can see posts, and that's all the posts this new user have, and this is the only one we did it now. I can delete it again. I can edit. I can even check who am I. Who am I? Who? Is that even a sentence? All right, and yeah, that's it for that. And then I can log out. And even before I log out, okay, this is what I add for my MVBs. I add the comments. It was not including the minimum viable product. And then I add this search, the little search bar. So suppose I don't want to go all the way like calculator. I cannot see it. Okay, I can say check this page, the one we post now. Okay, that idea about calculator, where the hell it is. So I can say, okay, maybe I can write like cal, just cal, or even C if I want, and I will find it a lot of things that have C. So this guy, how to succeed. I can even check how to succeed a bootcamp. Don't know. Oh, that's a really mean answer. He should give a good answer. JavaScript new library. Let's check it. Lorem ipsum. Who boasted? This guy Imran. You can see. Check it again. Okay, this is the boast we want to calculator. You remember we just write C, and now if I open, it will say boom. This is the calculator, and yeah, that's it. So it's not even telling us. And then I can go back. I can write even the calculator itself, like maybe if I want cal. So just to narrow down the search, and I will see this. You see, new user. That's the guy who boasted now. So that's it for the user sign in information. And then what about if you are not logged in? What about as soon as you access or come to my site? This is what you will see. Instead of saying welcome Mr. So-and-so or Mrs. So-and-so, say welcome guest. And if I open, it's like sign up or continue as a guest. If I click continue as a guest, then it will go like straight. I will just go to this main page, and this main page, like, what can I do if I'm not registered? Suppose I try to boost an idea. I say, oh, I can do that. They say, hey, no, you need to register to boost an idea. And then if I'm not registered yet, you still don't have an account with us, register here. So, and then like, yeah, that's it. Sign up. That's what you can do there. And then if you come and say, okay, oh, maybe who's this guy who boosted this idea? Let me check. And it's very secure. It say, hey, you're not one of us. You cannot see that guy. You need to register. So you have to go back. And you try to see who are these 6 users who like this post. Is still, you need to register or sign in. I mean, I don't want to be mean, but it's the way it used to be. And then you can see the comments, which is no problem. Again, if you try to see who is the writer of this comment, it's like gonna take you again to the, hey, you need to be one of us to see this stuff. And what else? I think that's it. Yeah, here you have like a little shortcut to join the ninjas. So if you like to join the ninjas, it will take you to the registration page. And I think I was planning to make the video under 5 minutes, but this is really long. I'm sorry, but I was trying to explain what I did here. So I'm really glad we are at the end of this chorus, and hope every member of the class or of the group success for their job hunt. And yeah, let's be a group, let's be a team, and stay together always. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good one. Let me stop the recording.